Okay, today is Thursday.
Is
it the 19th?
I swear I don't use our language.
We left St. Louis this morning at 6:25. It's Thursday.
Oh.
We got to Orlando at 9:30. Got a rental car. Got to we're St. Louis Pacific.
Almost crashed to the ocean.
What?
Dude, when we were landing, we were flying really low to the water.
We got here about 10:45. It was about a 30-minute wait to check in. It took a little bit longer to check in because they seemed awfully slow. And now we are walking to Universal. So overall, the flight on Southwest was fine. The flight was about 80% full. Definitely no social distancing on the flight. But everyone did wear their masks like they were supposed to. When we got here, the holdup, I guess, was just there was only 2 people checking people in.
That's a good photo for Haley. Look at her.
All right.
She matches it.
Oh my God. So yeah. So anyway, my goal was to make it to Universal by noon, and we are going to meet that goal. So I'm on my way to get some warm butterbeer because that's the only reason why I'm here. I'm just teasing. That's not the only reason. I wanted to see Christmas decorations, but I definitely want my warm butterbeer. I've never had it. I've never been here at Christmas, so I am super excited. So see you in a little bit. Alright. The park closes in 20 minutes. Haley and Abby went on Hogwarts one last time. I think it's the 3rd time they rode it. I'm just sitting here waiting. And I don't know if you can tell because they're not doing the light show this year, but if you look, they have something going on. They're projecting something on the castle. I can't tell. Does it look like snow? Not really for sure. And then there's the moon. Not really for sure what they're projecting. Here they come. And then, like I said, the park's about to close, so we're probably going to go ahead and walk out after I get some pictures of the Christmas lights. Did you guys look at that? So what is that supposed to be? But it's kind of more goldish, don't you think that's supposed to be snow?
Then it's golden snow.
Did you just say it's golden? Yeah, I'm getting closer. She said it was golden snow. Like a dragon peed in the snow. Some pictures of Hogsmeade, Hogsmeade.
Yeah, I can't get any photos because my phone's dead, so I'm gonna cry. Oh, this is a once in a lifetime thing, and I can't get any photos because.
Well, why didn't you need to bring the cord tomorrow?
Well, there's no point tomorrow because we're leaving at 2, so
I'm taking photos. You can copy any of my photos on Facebook. You know that.
Well, yeah, but I have better angles.
I don't know what to tell you, honey. All right, let's start walking out. Oh, look, there's lights. You see that? Oh, there's lights over here too. I guess this is it the pine cones? I want to go on the bridge for a minute and see it from this side. Hey Abby, we're gonna go over here for a minute and see it from that side, and then go back.
60 freaking minute reservation. Does it do that every time in the year?
I have no idea. I don't think so. That is so cool. All right, we just made it into our room. It's so funny. This room is facing the exact opposite way of the room we stayed at in August. So there's the bathroom. Oh, the shower. I love this whole full-length mirror. Our other room had that too. Closet. Abby's worried about the Bible.
Yeah, because people.
Haley's probably passed out.
I'm testing out a TikTok theory, but I can't find the Bible.
What is the TikTok theory?
That just money's in the Bible.
That what?
There's money's in the Bible.
This isn't a hotel, it's universal. I don't think it's gonna have a Bible.
All right, hey, Abby.
I gotta poop.
What was your? I'm literally making a video. Abby, what was your favorite part of today?
The Christmas lights.
The Christmas lights
And rewriting rides.
and rewriting rides.
Yeah, right.
Haley, what was your favorite part of today?
Old memories.
Leaving.
What? What was your favorite?
My favorite part was going to the Weasley shop.
What are you doing?
What the heck was that? That hurt so bad.
There's water there? Is that for us?
What was that? Water.
I guess. Oh, they have hand sanitizer.
Good. Do they have makeup
And what?
wipes?
Sometimes
Yeah,
the
let's
bathroom
carry
does. Oh look, the remote is covered in plastic.
No, that ain't plastic. That's Flex Seal.
Don't uncover it. That's quite amusing. All right, she wants to know if there's the makeup wipes. 'Cause sometimes they do. Nope. You just have a shower cap. Sorry.
That's good. Actually, is this a different shower? No, it's not.
All right, so we left our house at 3 a.m. Slept for the 2.5 hours on the flight. Came here, went straight to Universal, and it's now almost 8 o'clock, and the girls still have some homework to do.
Safe is open.
But we are exhausted.
Still are goods.
I got to put 2 lacrosse sticks together, and then I'm going to bed. Say bye, Abby.
I'm not done dancing.
You're dancing? Okay, goodbye.